Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the background of your videos in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video open. This is just a sort of template video on Canva itself, and I'll be showing you guys how you can delete the background from here using a Canva tool, which you can very easily use. However, you do need Canva Premium or Canva Pro if you want to use it, but that is pretty much the only way that you can do this, so you do need it for this process. Now, as you can see, I have a video with the background and a couple of elements, and let's say if I play it, you'll see it looks like this. And if I click on the video itself, in the top toolbar, you see the edit video button. This is not in English, but you can trust me, it does say edit video. And under tools, you'll see a background removal sort of tool. And if I click on that, as you can see, it just needs to process it. And as you can see, it is not very accurate due to the nature of the background of the video. But as you can see, it does delete the background itself. And now the video has no background. You can see in the background itself, it does have this sort of shape, which is left over from the original video, but that is pretty much how you remove your background. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.